Hey guys, are you want to buy best RAM for Ryzen? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video about top 5 best RAM for Ryzen that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 5, GSkill Trident Z Neo series. You can ask any PC builder out there. GSkill RAM options are typically one of the best that every PC owner wants to install in their own rig, simply because of their high performance and reliability. Although the GSkill Trident Z Neo series RAM is the best one out there, it's not meant for everyone because of its unpleasant pricing. Yes, despite its pleasing features, it's priced way too high as compared to other RAM options out there. The Trident Z Neo series RAM from GSkill comes with a total capacity of 32 GB DDR4 memory, as you get a total of 2 16 GB RAM sticks in this package, where each RAM module offers 3600 MHz working frequency. In addition, one of the most interesting facts about the GSkill Trident Z Neo series RAM is its RGB lighting, which makes it truly stand out from the crowd. Apart from a fast 3600 MHz frequency, each of the Trident Z Neo series RAM supports CAS late CCL16. Hence, you can simply assume that the level of performance offered by these RAM modules is absolutely top-notch and unbeatable. Moreover, GSkill even offers a lifetime warranty for the Trident Z Neo series RAM modules, which makes them one of the best options out there. Now number 4, Patriot Viper Steel DDR4. Patriot is one of the most renowned and popular brands that sell high-quality RAM and other PC components. It's ideal for those people who want a fast and reliable RAM option for their Ryzen build at a reasonable price. Talking about the specifications, the Patriot Viper Steel RAM is based on DDR4 architecture and offers a massive fast speed of 4,400 MHz, which is way more as compared to other options present on this list. On top of that, the total capacity of RAM you get is 16 GB, as this package comes with 2 8 GB DDR4 RAM DIMMs for dual-channel installation. Although the base frequency of these DIMMs is only 2,133 MHz, with the support of XMP 2.0, you can overclock these RAM DIMMs to deliver up to 4,400 MHz, which is quite surprising. Moreover, the metallic cover over the RAM allows for better heat management and ensures these RAM modules always perform their best in all situations. Our third product is Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 32 GB DDR4. Corsair Vengeance is one of the best RAMs that you can choose to install in your gaming rig. In this Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro RAM kit, you get 2 DDR4 RAM DIMMs of 16 GB each, which is quite amazing for dual-channel installation. Apart from that, the best part about these RAM DIMMs is that each of the RAM sticks delivers max speed up to 3,600 MHz, which will make your PC run smoother and faster than ever before. On the other hand, each of the RAM sticks comes with its own addressable RGB lighting module that can be easily programmed or controlled using Corsair's ICUE software. Moreover, these RAM modules even support overclocking and are compatible with all AMD and Intel configurations. Thus, these RAM DIMMs are super easy to install and use, no matter what type of PC you have. In addition, Corsair offers a 10-year-long warranty for all its RAM options. Now our second product is Team Group TForce Vulcan Z DDR4. The Team Group TForce Vulcan Z DDR4 16 GB kit is one of the best options to pick. Although the speed of this RAM is only 3,000 MHz, it is still one of the best RAM options you can pick, as it comes for very reasonable pricing. In this RAM kit, you will receive 2 DDR4 RAM DIMMs of 8 GB each, which is great as you will be able to install them in a dual-channel manner. Apart from that, the RAM comes with a simple design, yet the outer casing looks pretty aesthetic and even provides optimal cooling to the RAM stick as well. In addition, the RAM also comes with a high thermal conductive adhesive that keeps the RAM stick cool all the time. The best part about this TForce Vulcan Z DDR4 16 GB kit is that it supports XMP 2.0 and works with all AMD and Intel motherboards as well. On top of it, Team Group offers a lifetime warranty for this RAM kit, which is amazing. And now our last choice is Crucial Ballistix 3200 MHz DDR4 DRAM. It's ideal for all kinds of gaming desktop options, as it is designed to offer the best performance with both AMD and Intel motherboards. Apart from that, You will be glad to know that this RAM offers a max speed of 3200 MHz and also comes with the support for XMP 2.0 that allows you to overclock it to increase its performance further. In addition, the quality of the RAM is absolutely solid, and even the heat spreader of this RAM comes in a variety of color options that you can pick as per your preferences. The overall capacity of the RAM is 16 GB, as Crucial offers you two 8 GB DDR4 RAM sticks in this package. Apart from that, Crucial is quite an amazing brand to choose from, as it offers a 10-year-long warranty for all its RAM options. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.